Hello friends, there is an exponential equation 3 power a plus 2 power a is equal to 35. ये एक एक्सपोनेंशियल इक्वेशन है 3 पावर a plus 2 पावर a is equal to 35 and we have to find the value of a. So 3 power a can be written as 3 power a को हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं 3 power a power 1. Similarly 2 power a को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 power a power 1 is equal to 35. Now this 1 can be written as 3 power a power 3 upon 3 and this 2 power a power 3 upon 3 is equal to 35. This can be written as, इसे हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 3 power a into 1 upon 3 power 3 plus 2 power a into 1 upon 3 power 3 by using the law of exponents is equal to 35. That is law of exponent a power n x power n power m can be written as x power n m. So this can be written as 3 power a upon 3 power 3 plus 2 power a upon 3 power 3 is equal to 35. We suppose this is x and this is y. इसको x suppose कर लेते हैं, इसको y. So x is equal to, taking x is equal to 3 power a upon 3 and y is equal to 2 power a upon 3. Therefore, it will become x cube plus y cube is equal to 35. And we have x cube plus y cube can be written as a cube plus b cube, means that x plus y within another bracket x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 35. 35 के दो फैक्टर्स होते हैं 1 into 35 or 5 into 7. 1 into 35 will not work since the answer might be negative. So we are taking 5 and 7. So this way x plus y within bracket x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 5 into 7. Or this way we can take x plus y is equal to 5. x plus y को हम 5 ले लेते हैं is equal to 5. Say it is equation number 1. Or x is equal to 5 minus y. Say it is equation number 2. ये equation number 2 है. Now this can be written as is equal to 7. X square and x square minus xy plus y square is taken as 7. This is equation number 3rd. Now We can substitute the value of x here, 5 minus y, and also here, but we shall not do it, will difficult. So we are taking equation number 1 to make it easy. Taking equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 5, squaring both the sides. So this will become x plus y whole square is equal to 5 square, or this will become x square plus 2xy, यहाँ पर हम आइडेंटिटी का यूज़ करते हैं, प्लस y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5 5 25. This is equation number 4. Now substituting equation number 3 from equation number 4, subtracting equation number 3 from equation number 4. That will be x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 25. This is equation number 4. And now equation number 3 is here, that is x square minus xy plus y square, which is equal to 7. Subtracting. In subtraction we change the sign, so that will be minus and this will be plus and this will be minus. We consider minus here, so this way x is cancelled with x, y is cancelled with y, and this 2 plus 1, that is 3xy is equal to, it is also minus, 25 minus 7 is equal to 18. So 3xy is equal to 18. On subtraction, 3xy is equal to 18. Now, or x into y can be 18 upon 3, written as 3 6 are 18, 6, or x into y is equal to 6. ये equation number, this is equation number 5. Now from this equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5 minus 1 from equation number 2. So substituting the value of x in equation number 5 from equation number 2, substituting the value of x in equation 5th from equation 2. So this will become 5 minus y into y is equal to 6, or we can say multiplying this 5y minus y square is equal to 6. This equation can be written as y square minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. By splitting the middle term, we can get the value of y. So this way, middle term is minus 5. That will be plus 6. Plus 6. So y square, instead of 5 we can take 2 plus 3. 3 to the 6. Y plus 6 is equal to 0. Or y square minus 2y minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Out of these two, we can take y as common. Y minus 2, and here minus 3, that will become y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or y minus 3 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 2. So we are getting two values of y. Now we may substitute the value of y from here in equation number 5 to get the value of x. Substituting the value of y in equation 5th, we shall get two value of x. X into y is equal to 6. So 3 into y is equal to 6. 3 into x is equal to 6. 3 into x is equal to 6. We are substituting the value of y, 3 and 2 also. So x is equal to this way. This way x is equal to 2. And when we take this, or 2 into x is equal to 6, or x is equal to 3. So there are two values of x also. First is 2x is equal to 2, and or x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3. Now we substitute the value in x and y. हमने लिया था there are two value of y. Y is equal to 2 and 3. X, we have taken x is equal to 3 power a upon 3. So if we take the value of x2, that will not work. So the value of x2 is cancelled, taking 3. So 3 is equal to 3 power a upon 3. Or we can say 3 power 1 is equal to 3 power a upon 3. This way, if bases are equal, exponent must be equal. So a upon 3 is equal to 1, or the value of a is 3, or a is equal to 3. Now we take y 2 times the value of y 2 as well as 3. If we take the value of y 2, so that will be y is equal to 2 power a. y was 2 power a. y की वैल्यू थी 2 पावर a. 2 पावर a को हमने y लिया था 2 पावर a अपॉन 3 को. So this way, if we take 3, that will not work out. So this is cancelled. Taking 2. 2 is equal to 2 power a upon 3, or 2 power 1 is equal to 2 power a upon 3, or if bases are equal, exponent must be equal. A upon 3 is equal to 1, or a is equal to 3. In both the cases, the value of a is 3. So this way, the value of a is 3 is the correct solution. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching My Scholars. And please write something in comment box.